Working in the signal craft is like no other job in the railroad industry. Technical skill, mechanical aptitude, and critical thinking are everyday tools. Signal construction workers use those tools to install new equipment, renew old equipment, and just about anything else that needs to be done. Every day, signal construction workers are required to safely operate many different pieces of equipment to get the job done. From large projects that require extensive planning to smaller renewal and upgrade projects, signal construction workers are there, getting the job done safely and efficiently. From sunrise to sunset, in all weather conditions, and many times away from home for weeks, signal construction workers are always ready to go. Their important work keeps signal and highway grade crossing warning systems up to date across the country, which keeps the trains rolling. Make sure to like us on Facebook and check out our website at www.brs.org.